I am Dr. Lakshmi Maganti. I am working as an online consultant. I have taken the MILT Peak Performance Workshop course during May 2020 from Kolkata. I have attended a lot of training courses, but this course is totally different. This gave me a wonderful experience altogether. I have gained a lot of confidence on myself, and this course broke my all inner fears. There has been a complete clarity in thoughts, expressions, and speech. Not only this, the course has taught all to be responsible to the society, and the concept of giving back to the society to bring a positive change in the world is quite good. I would like to contribute towards the education to the poor children. Thank you, Danny, for being the trainer.
I am Mahima Bhalotia, a marketing and communications professional from Mumbai. I recently got a chance to attend the Peak Performer workshop organized by the Mill Training Foundation, and here's my experience. Since the past 2 months, I was facing a lot of issues because of my haphazard schedule, and this was because of the lockdown. But the Mill's morning sessions really motivated me to stick to a schedule, enhance my productivity, and tap on all those skills which are lying unused since so many years. Apart from this, the HR card principles really motivated me to follow those principles in my everyday life so that even I can become a better human. The fact of love, which was explained to us by Danny in our sessions, really helped me understand that the only medicine which can heal the world is love, and I pledge to inculcate this amongst my fellow beings. Apart from this, we all know that we are all entering into a digital era, and there's a lot of hesitation to face the virtual world. But the public speaking assignments has really helped me understand that with a lot of confidence, and I'm ready to face the virtual world with zeal and enthusiasm. The HR group sessions really helped me understand that every person, irrespective of his financial status, caste and creed, has gone through some struggle in life, and we must always acknowledge, accept and respect that.
Hello friends, my name is Rishabh Rajendra Desada. I am a final year computer engineering student at the Pune University. I am from Pathradi, district Ahmednagar. The Peak Performer workshop by MILT was an excellent experience to me. This workshop helped me to increase my self-confidence and enthusiasm. Now I can stand with confidence and speak in public. This workshop will help me in my professional as well as personal life. From the HR principles, I learned how to maintain positive attitude about the people and the situation. I am thankful to Danny. He guided me and motivated me. It is not position but contribution that makes leader. It is a mantra given to us by MILT. So I contribute to every students who have issue in career.
I would like to start by honestly telling you that the Peak Performer workshop wasn't at the top of my list of priorities. But my uncle, who's a Miltonian, told me, Ishika, mark my words, by the end of this session, you will be a changed person. And today I can surely say that I am. This session not only taught me how to become a better public speaker, but also gave me so many values through the HR cards that I shall forever be grateful for. Had it not been for the constant motivation and support of the leaders, I wouldn't have felt so confident about myself. The highlight of this program was definitely the HR sessions, where a small group of strangers became a family. It is good to be heard and respected, and I feel the HR sessions gave us just that. Now that this journey is coming to an end, I shall say that I carry with me the knowledge of being a good public speaker, a good leader, and most importantly, a good person.
My name is Vedika, and I'm currently a student residing in Mumbai. Joining this PPW workshop was never my idea. I thought it would be boring and not something new that I don't really know of. But when I actually enrolled in this course, it opened an entire new window for me. My key takeaways from this course are as following. Firstly, I encountered my greatest fear of speaking amongst a group of completely new individuals that I never encountered in my life before. Secondly, I polished upon my speaking skills and listening skills as well. Simple HR principles made me realize the value that had in my life, and also the great impact in not only my life but also others' life. I encountered with the life of strict strangers. Talking to them and opening up to them never really thought and never really was my idea. But doing so made me a better version of myself. Well, nowadays I look around, all the people are so lazy and always comparing themselves to other people. I would like to encourage everyone to actually look into yourself first. Develop your skills other than comparing yourself to other people. Well, this journey has been absolutely beautiful.
And today I tell you about the impact of MILT Peak Performance Workshop at a time when the world is ravaged not only by the virus but also by instances of human labor. Today, more than ever, the need for responsible, impactful citizens is dire. Today, the world needs leaders who are capable of creating a congenial and a superior world for all creatures alike. I can't overstate the role of these sessions in doing exactly that. MILT created an environment of empathy and an environment of growth. It allowed people from their early years to their robust, mature years a deeper understanding of the unstated energy all around us. It helped me personally gain a deeper knowledge of our entire being and that despite being apart, we are whole as well. It inspired me to talk and listen. And most importantly, it taught me to always be on top of the world.